That will result in a reduction in salaries and allowances for those elected in August this year. As your president, and indeed also as a Kenyan, I fully support the recommendations of the Salaries and Remuneration Commission, and I call upon all of us to adopt these recommendations.